Shorts ko pa ba to? Nagkakwento na naman ako. Uy, mga ziplock. Ay, wala na yung daing. Ay, to. Hindi, wala. Malaki yun eh. Ha. May natira pa, be. 150 pesos. Pwede na, no? Alam mo, masarap talaga yung daing. Ay, ang sarap naman ito. Ginagawa rin pala tong ano, Diba? Sa tingin ko, hindi to matamis. Masarap tong isaw-saw sa suka. Balat siya ng isda, be, oh. Parang ginawang chicharon. Business idea. Sige, ito yung daing natin. Hana, smile to the daing. Just joking. Hanap tayo ng fresh na Popular and Hello Kitty.
Look at this.
What's that?
It's a robot kitty.
So, this is my name, Zen. That's called Hi, Zen. Joke lang.
Hey, Zen. Look at this.
just joking. Camera. Snacks. Let's look. Hindi, nagbabayad pa sila. Uy, chocolate, be. Okay, what's your... Ay, ang sarap po. 300 pesos. Ang mura, no? Sa atin, mahal to eh, diba? 300 be, oh. Ferrero. Oops, Godiva. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. We love you. Liquor chocolate. Less than around 300 pesos. Chocolate tour. Joke lang. Sa mga mahilig sa strawberries, these are heart-shaped chocolate. Ang ganda ng para siyang sa serye. Snacks. Uy, ito ba yung hinahanap ko? Hindi. Meron silang seaweed snack here. Do you wanna see the seaweed snacks? Taran! Yung kids. Nagbabayad pa dun eh. Okay na tayo be. Chocolate, candies. And this one, I want you to see this. It's like Snacku. Pero parang, para tong Oishi. Pero heart shape. And they also have Oishi here. May Doritos, diba? Sana yung Oishi be? Hindi ko na makita. Basta nandito lang yun. Hindi ko makita. Ayun. Yan. Okay? Let's go. Ito masarap to be. Barbecue flavor. Pwede mo isaw-saw sa suka. You can dip it in vinegar if you like. And this one is healthy one. You can also dip that in vinegar. This is spicy. Yun yung seaweed chips nila. Tapos ito pizza chips. Ito yung mga chips dito sa Japan. Tignan nyo, be, Japanese yung words, diba? Yung suka vinegar nila, be. S-U, vinegar. Ay, yun yung mga daing, Pero buti nakuha ko na yung daing. We love you. Have a great day.